Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on OPPO A54s. So as you can see, if we open our Google Play Store and search for the Fortnite, it won't be available. And in order to find it, let's try Epic Games app. Here's the Fortnite, press get, and as you can see, device is not supported and we can't install it. So you can't play Fortnite on OPPO A54s. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.